Yeah.
Hi guys, my name is Meek, and welcome back to a new episode of Dish-truction. It's been a long time.
Yes.
Dish-truction is the show in which I, Meek, Meek, I will teach you how to do a dish and give you some instructions about it. That's how it was?
I don't think that's the tagline. No, I think you had a much smoother
It was
punchline.
definitely different. That's gameplay.
Who?
You.
The camera.
Yeah,
Okay.
you're back.
Mmm.
We're gonna cook Besciamella today. Besciamella is...
What's Béchamel?
It's basically a basic recipe, a basic sauce that you can use to do 100,000 dishes, recipes, foods.
Why?
Because it's cheesy. It's technically it's a cream. It's a cheesy, buttery cream made with butter, milk, and flour. You need nothing else, and with these three simple ingredients, you can get as fat as you want.
That sounds good.
It's quite magical, yeah.
Awesome.
Let's start.
Good.
Right.
Good.
Okay, first of all, you need a what's this called? Like
It's a pan. It's a pot.
it's a pot. A pot would really help, and I really recommend a pot that is, you know, kind of non-sticky. This one is old, but I've always used it for Besciamella, and it's, you know, it has that white, glossy, non-sticky thingy that I don't even know how to say. Then you need flour. You can use any kind of flour. I'm gonna use the 0000. This flour has the license to kill you.
Oh.
I'm using a whole milk. This is called intero whole. It's a fresh milk. It has been pasteurized, obviously, but this has the whole fat in it, and you will need that whole fat, the whole flavor to tie it in the bechamel together. Then you need butter. I'm using Santa Lucia, which is Saint Lucy.
Yeah.
Lucy in the sky with butter. The important part of all the ingredients is that we need to use this trinity of ingredients in the same sizes. So if we're going with 50 grams of butter, we need to go with 50 grams of flour, and then we need to go with half a liter of milk. If you don't use grams, and if you don't use, what is that called? Like
Liters?
I think I don't use liter. No, some people don't use liter. They use gallons. There's something wrong with that.
That's
Anyway,
a lot of
if you don't
bechamel.
use metrics, I'm sorry. There's gonna be some stuff in the description, maybe.
Or maybe you're on your own.
Okay, let's start off. Huh?
All right.
All right. I'm gonna start with gently melting a little bit of butter.
Without the plastic, maybe.
50 grams, as I said. Turn on the heat and lower it a little bit. This thing will have to melt very slowly, and there's really no rush. What is this thing called?
It's like a filter.
Anyway, I'm gonna pass the
Doesn't matter.
flour through this.
Yeah.
That way I'm gonna remove all the eventual lumps that might create in it.
Right. Why do you remove the lumps?
Because I don't want the bechamel to be lumpy. I don't have a whip, so I'm gonna use a lick pan.
What's that?
This is lick pan. Do you call them lick pan?
No.
I'm gonna add just a half here and keep mashing it up, hoping that no lumps gets ever created. And then I'm gonna add the other half. Okay, you can kind of see that even though I'm kind of making a mess, there's no visible lump at the moment. It looks kind of smooth already.
Okay.
I need to cook this for a little bit, and a lot of people make it cook until it gets kind of brownish. I prefer to stop a little earlier.
So what flame do you have on?
The flame is super low, and sometimes I'm even, you know, not putting in there.
Yeah. Okay.
'Cause I don't
Raising
want,
it.
You know, yeah, because nice and easy, slow and easy makes it better. As you can see, there's no, see how smooth it is? There's no lump at all. The signal that I'm waiting for is for some bubbles to start appearing. As soon as that happens, see, oh, have you seen it?
I missed that.
Look at that. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can testify that this is happening. Yes.
Okay, let me get all the stuff down here. Now I can keep the flame up a little, just for a couple seconds. I want this to be perfectly cooked.
Alright,
And
just make sure it's done.
Bubbly. Okay, we have at this point we have a roux, which is a base for a lot of sauces.
Okay.
You put milk in it, it just gets bechamel-y.
Alright.
As you see, I have just barely let it cook, and you can definitely taste that it lost a lot of the flour smells, but it smells like a lot like cheese already.
Yeah.
We're not going for cheese. Bechamel, I don't really, a lot of people put bechamel too close to cheese. I think it's something much more than a cheesy sauce. It's, I don't know, I respect it a lot. And now I'm pouring in all the milk. All of it.
At once.
At once. Keeping the flame very low. I left just a little bit there. Because, you know, I like it super thick. It's very important to keep the flame low at this point. I might raise it up later. But this very moment, I want all the flour that is left at the bottom to completely dissolve. And I don't want any lump. Okay, as you can see, it's already starting to thicken up. But at this point, I want to make some adjustment. Like, I want to put salt in it. And then I'm putting a little of black pepper in it. And I want to do it at this point. Because now...
Why black pepper?
Because it's amazing.
Are you putting...
And I'm putting...
Metal?
No.
Okay.
No. I'm putting nutmeg. A lot of nutmeg. Because nutmeg is the best thing in the world. And I'm gonna keep mixing it out. To sort of keep, you know, getting rid of lumps. I want it to be super smooth. I want all the stuff that I just put in here to dissolve, take the flavors, elevate all the sauce. We're almost ready. Let's go with a full flame on. I'm gonna look for bubbles.
Should you not be using an iron spoon in this pot?
I can do whatever I want. Because I'm a certified iron spoon user. And turn it off.
That it?
This is it. I'm gonna keep moving it. And let's put it in here. This will probably do. You can see how it folds. And you can use this thing to do 100,000 things. For example, you could do timbale with it, you could do lasagna with it, you could do the cannelloni with it. I do tortellini with it. It's amazing. Now I can adjust it a little bit because it is definitely missing salt, even though I put a bunch of it. But as you know, butter, milk, that's all the stuff is very sugary. This is nice. Then I like to give it a little bit of color and also taste. And I do it by putting just a little bit of parsley in it. Okay, let's taste this.
No.
It came out a little salty, but I like it this salty. Try it out. Maybe you like it less salty because you are kind of a pussy.
Okay, thanks. Man, let's cook some tortellini with this.
Yeah, definitely. Everything would be amazing with this stuff, dude.
Alright, we should wrap it up. This was the quickest and easiest guide possible ever on how to make proper Besciamella.
Yeah, proper, with a little bit of twist here and there, but yeah, this is the classic stuff, I would say. You know, guys, I'm really eager to know if you tried this, how easy it was, because it looks easy, right? Maybe it's not. I want to know how you feel about it. Let me know, and thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next fatty adventure of Dish-truction.
When is that?
I don't know.
Come on.
Next year, maybe?
Like 2020, right?
Probably. In the meantime, follow us on Twitch, twitch.tv/HeyRickMick, twitch.tv/GameTooLate.
Okay.
Links are going to be down in the description below. And thank you. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like if you liked it. Subscribe, ring the bell, all the stuff that you don't have to do.
Ring the bell to your neighbors.
Freaking bell, dude.
Alright.
Thank you very much, guys. Love you all. Have an amazing Christmas. Probably you already had an amazing Christmas. Yeah, definitely. Bye!